among the created beings of Allah Ta'ala, the final being. That is, no matter how high you ascend, the final being, what do? You remain at the throne because all the divine outpourings, blessings, lights, manifestations of Allah Ta'ala flow down to the Sidrat al-Muntaha and to the throne of the Rahman. Beyond that, the realm of possibility ends, because being means its existence or non-existence is possible. If it exists, it is fine. If it does not, it is also fine. The heavens could have not existed. Even if Jibril had not been created, it would have been fine. Therefore, we are in the realm of possibility. What does realm of possibility mean? It means that the existence or non-existence of all of us can be conceived. It is probable. Beyond that lies the realm of the sovereign, the loving one. From there begins the realm of necessity of Allah Ta'ala. What does realm of necessity mean? It means non-existence cannot be conceived. It is impossible to imagine it as absent. And so it begins from the manifestations of Allah Ta'ala's names. From His names, His attributes, His manifestations, His lights, the reflections of the lights, the reflections of the reflections, their shadows, the shadow of the shadow. That realm is such. And then one reaches the reality of the names. Then the reality of the attributes is reached. Then there, space is left behind. Beyond the throne, there is no concept of time. Sidrat ul-Muntaha is the last stop. Beyond it, there is no concept of time. Minutes, hours do not operate. Years do not operate. Centuries do not exist there. There is no concept of space. There is no concept of sitting or standing. There is no concept of direction. Right, left, below, above. He is exalted above the 6 directions. Because beyond the throne there is no space, no time, no side, no direction, no orientation. This is what is called Muntaha. But Jibril is bound to space. Time passes over Jibril. Therefore, Jibril cannot pass beyond that point. It is called the realm of necessity. Only the Messenger of Allah was allowed to witness it on the night of Miraj. No angel has truly reached. There was a time I had with Allah, a moment I had with Allah. When I say time, do not understand it as minutes passing. I had such a moment, such a meeting, such a vision, such an intimate supplication, such a discourse that neither the closest of the angels, meaning Jibril, who is the one most near to Allah, he too could not draw near. No sent prophet, no messenger, even if he were one of the possessors of great resolve, whether Musa, PBUH, Ibrahim or Adam, none of them could draw near to me. This hadith sharif speaks about this.